A TV.
Great!
TV. Wow! Pizza. Or we can bake some nice muffins inside.
Oh, yeah.
Ayu, she'll teach you things, she'll play with you, and Gigi loves you too. Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? So, today, let's find out all the rooms inside our house.
Wow!
Let's start with the first one. Where are we? What's this?
Oh, yeah.
We're in the living room. The living room.
Wow!
What can we find in a living room? A sofa. Sofa. A sofa. What else?
Amazing!
A coffee table. Coffee table. What else? Really nice rug. Rug. We can find a rug. What else? Probably a TV so we can watch some cartoons, maybe? A TV.
Great!
TV.
Wow!
We're in the living room now.
Amazing!
Let's go somewhere else.
Awesome!
Where are we? I think we're in the kitchen. Kitchen. Yes, that's correct. We're in the kitchen now.
Bingo!
What can we find inside the
Amazing!
kitchen? A stove.
Great!
A stove. Stove.
Oh, I love it!
What else? An oven. 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 So we can make a pizza. Or we can bake some nice muffins inside.
Oh, yeah.
Oven.
Awesome!
Oven. What else?
Let's do this!
A sink. So we can wash our dishes. A sink. Sink. What else? What do we have in the kitchen? Of course, there must be a fridge. Fridge. Fridge.
Awesome!
Now let's go somewhere else.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
Oh, where are we? Are we still in the kitchen? Not really. We're in the dining room. Dining room. What do we have in a dining room? So it's called
Good.
dining. It means that we're going to eat inside this room. It means we have a dining table. A large table.
That's great.
For our family. Table. We have a table.
Wow!
And what do we need so we can eat at the table? We need some chairs. We have some chairs too. A table and some chairs. Now, let's go somewhere else. Where are we now? I think we're in a bedroom. Bedroom. So what can we find in a bedroom? Bedroom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we must have a bed. Of course. That's why it's called bedroom. We have a cozy bed where we can have our nice sleep. Bed. We have a bed.
I love it!
What else do we have in a bedroom? Maybe a lamp?
Wow!
A lamp. Lamp. What else do we have in our bedroom? Maybe a wardrobe?
Amazing!
So we can just keep our clothes inside that wardrobe? Of course, a wardrobe. What else? A nightstand. Of course, we have a nightstand.
Good!
What else do you have in your bedroom? Maybe some toys. Maybe an alpaca toy.
Yes!
Some toys. We have some toys. And what else? Oh, something very important. We have books.
Amazing!
So we can read some really nice bedtime stories. Books.
Wow!
Now, let's go somewhere else. Where are we now?
Wow!
We are in the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Bathroom. What can we find in the bathroom? Bathroom. I think we need a bathtub. We have a bathtub. Or a shower.
Awesome.
Bathtub. Shower. What else? We need a sink in our bathroom too, not only in the kitchen. We need to brush our teeth and our face. So we need a sink. Another sink inside our house. A sink. And what else do we need in the bathroom? Something very important. We need a toilet. A toilet. In our bathroom.
That's
Toilet. Now let's go somewhere else. Where are we? It looks like a garden. We are in the backyard. Backyard. What can we find in here? A really nice playground maybe? Playground with a slide. What else? A swing. A slide and a swing. What else? Flowers. We have flowers in our backyard. Wow, amazing. Let's go somewhere else now. Oh, where are we? We are in the garage now. What can we find in the garage? We can park our car. We have a car. Car in our garage. And maybe some storage shelves
Yes.
where we can keep our tools. What else? What else do we have in our garage? I don't know. Do you know? Can you tell me something that you have in your garage? Back again in front of our house. Until next time.
And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.